Hello parents, welcome you all to the new academic year at Walnut. I am Amruta Deshmukh. I will be briefing you about the math curriculum for standard 5th. Why do we teach math? Yes, of course, it's a part of the syllabus. But we teach mathematics because it provides opportunities for developing important intellectual skills in problem solving and creative thinking. Math plays important role in our day-to-day life. Students can learn how to manage the time. They will learn about how to handle the budget and about the banking also. The basic knowledge of math also help to keep track of scores for every sports activity. In standard 5th, the student will learn the basics of geometry, which can be used in different fields. In Walnut, we have very innovative way of teaching math. We have PowerPoint presentation on every concept, which present information in multiple ways that help to enhance learning mathematics and children understand it easily. During the class, after the explanation is done, students start solving the questions from the worksheet. This is the pattern for every period. Constant practice on the concept taught helps students to clear all their doubts. In Walnut, students learn and solve the worksheet which have been created using different reference books. The worksheets has multiple questions on the same concept so that math becomes strong. Talking about standard 5th math, some concepts are common for standard 5th and standard 6th. So we have merged the two. One concept is taught in one period, followed by enough practice. We do follow NCERT textbooks. Students will solve textbook exercise whenever it is required. This will again help them to develop problem solving ability at early stage. One more Walnut advantage is, along with the textbook exercises, we provide standard 6th math exemplar, which is a practice book prescribed by NCERT. This is again a brain booster for the child. Now you will see the topics covered during the entire year. In Unit 1, students will learn about the place value, expanded forms, ascending and descending order, smaller and bigger numbers, addition and subtraction word problems. And in Unit 2, they will learn about multiplication and division. The new concept introduced over here is profit and loss, measurement of time, conversions of centimeter to meter or millimeter meter to kilometer, grams to kilograms, milliliters to liters, subtraction and multiplication word problems based on mixed conversions. In Unit 3, again the new topic is introduced, that is fractions. The students will learn about equivalent fractions, improper fractions, fractions with equal and unequal denominators, decimal fractions, addition and subtraction of decimals vertically in numerical form, usage of decimals in mass, money and length. In Unit 4, we have introduced basics of geometry. Students will learn about understanding elementary shapes, mensuration, area and perimeter, data handling, symmetry, and about practical geometry also. If we talk about practicing math in Walnut, we have lots of questions on the worksheets on every concepts. Some questions will be covered during the class and some are extra questions. They are for extra practice. They are not for homework. Regarding exams, if we talk about exams for standard 5th, there are total 4 units test in a year, 2 in each term. Exam is divided into two parts. The first one is descriptive exam, which will be conducted on exam days as marked in the calendar. The second one is objective exam, which will be conducted during the entire units. There are 3 objective exams for the units, and base 2 out of the 3 in each unit will be counted. Now, the marks distribution for the descriptive paper will be 15 marks, and the time duration for the same is half hour. And the objective exam is for 10 marks, contain multiple choice questions. The overall distribution for the unit test will be 15 marks for the descriptive paper, 10 marks for the objective. Total it will be for 25 marks. And there are 4 such units in the entire year. Now if we talk about the portions for the exam, the topics and the concept taught during the entire unit, the exam will be based on the same topics and concepts. One more advantage at Walnut. The Walnut students are stress-free about the exam. As 1 week before the actual exam, student will solve practice test in the school. This practice test will be based on the entire portion. Hence, before the actual exam starts, the students are well prepared for it. Another advantage at Walnut is we have remedial class. As for the students who needs an extra attention and practice for any of the concepts, the teacher will identify the students on a per concept basis. This will give us the targeted remedial coaching. In Walnut, we have math lab. Some parent might think that why students need math lab. The answer is the math lab provides an opportunity for the students to discover mathematics through activities. These activities help students to visualize, manipulate and reason. It is an introduction to the applied mathematics. Now, what to stress on? The student should be very particular about their handwriting. The students need to focus on neat and clear writing, because as we all know that untidy work in mathematics can lead to errors. If we talk about math, practice is essential and it is important in order to remember the new concepts. Students should be able to read and understand the questions. Few of the students might face difficulty in solving the word problems. But when your child is solving any word problem, please do not translate that into your mother tongue. Let the child do the same. This will help you to understand if the child gets the question correctly or not. There are so many advantages at Walnut for your child. Though formal mathematics starts in standard 6th according to the CBSE curriculum, but in Walnut we start from standard 1st. For standard 5th students, they have scholarship exams. Preparation for this exam will be started and will be done from standard 4 as well. Throughout the standard 5th, they will learn the different concepts which are for the scholarship exams. We provide additional math practice for the scholarship exam. Another advantage at Walnut is we have Valmiki app. It is the part of Walnut learning system. It has innovative learning videos and quizzes that help students in grasping the complex concept on their own. Because we are having a planned learning, each year few topics from the year ahead are covered. All this gives an extra time in the 10th standard for multiple practice sessions. Again, one more advantage at Walnut. And that's how the Walnut students will always stay tough outside and smart inside. Thank you.
If you like our videos, do share them and subscribe to our channel. If you want awesome quizzes, write to us. Keep watching and keep learning with Walnut.